In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your GoDaddy domain. Whether you're setting up a new website, configuring DNS records, or exploring other features offered by GoDaddy, I'm here to guide you through it all in just 5 minutes. Let's start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, head over to the My Products section. Here you will see a list of the domains you own. Take a moment to find the specific domain you want to work with today. Click on it to reveal a range of options that you can use to manage your domain settings and configurations. One of the popular tools that GoDaddy offers is their website builder. This feature allows you to create a professional-looking website from scratch using your domain. It's a fantastic option if you're looking to build and host your website all within the same platform. The website builder is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even beginners can craft beautiful websites with ease. As you explore this tool, you'll find various templates and customization options, making it easier than ever to personalize your online presence. Now, if your goal is to set up web services or manage email using your domain, you'll need to configure your DNS records. To do this, navigate to your domain's DNS settings. You'll usually find this under a section labeled DNS Management, or something similar. DNS records are essentially the system that translates your domain name into IP addresses, and you might need to modify them depending on the services you're connecting to. For example, A records, CNAME records, or MX records are common types that you'll encounter. Don't worry if this sounds a bit technical. GoDaddy's interface provides guidance to help you add or modify these records effectively. GoDaddy also offers convenient email services linked directly to your domain. You can opt for their professional email service or even Microsoft 365. These options allow you to set up email addresses that use your domain name, adding a layer of professionalism to your communications. The setup process is straightforward, and by following GoDaddy's guidelines, you'll have your domain-based emails up and running in no time. Beyond these functionalities, your GoDaddy domain can be used in other versatile ways. For instance, you can redirect your domain to another URL or website effortlessly. This is particularly useful if you have multiple domains pointing to a single site. If you find that you're no longer using your domain, GoDaddy also provides the option to list it for sale on their marketplace, potentially turning your domain into a valuable asset. And that's a wrap on using your GoDaddy domain effectively. With these tools at your disposal, managing your domain and expanding your online ventures is more accessible than ever. Thank you for watching, and happy domain managing.